how to have the great version of lipstick. First, you take this. A fruit snack. That's what this is. You bite it, but I think I'll try orange. So you bite it. I look like that. Because you gotta eat it, and then you gotta lick it if you want it. It's not really lipstick, more like clear lip gloss, with a little tint. You can kind of see that orange. Use as much as you would like. I personally like to use a lot. Just get a little bit of a hint. Get the top. Oops, that's a bit too much. You have to agree. And that is my lipstick. Yeah. Fix this up because it's bound to look a bit messy and a bit sticky. All you have to do is clean up, just lick your finger, and a small bit on it might still be there, but you can't really see it or feel it unless you're like. Now, you just sit like this, or this. Make sure the lips aren't touching, like that. Like that. Like this, and you can talk like this all day. It doesn't look like that, but trust me, when it dries, it will look amazing. Just wait like 10 to 20 minutes. This is a fake tutorial. Yeah, this is a fake tutorial. Don't actually do this if you're going to a fancy dinner, but like, if you want tasty lipstick, I would recommend. Or a little bit fun. Warning, this might actually hurt your lips if you go like really hard. Because you know your lips are kind of fragile. So, bye.